Hello, in this video I'm gonna help you fix the problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome. So if we type in any website, for example right here, let's go for Epic Games, it will say that our clock is behind, and let's see the Google Play Store as well, because it won't work. So here let's open any app, and after we press install, it won't download, it will be pending forever. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll all the way down and find system, click on it, and then go for date and time. Here select use network provided time, and after we go back for our Google Play Store and install the app. We might need to reload the page as well before doing so. No, it's okay, it downloads now. And the same is with Google Chrome, we can reload the page. And it also works fine. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.